need Nar.
A flash?
Yo. What's it? Oh God. Oh snap! Stop! Fuck out the mic. Stop! Fuck out the mic. Blow up the whole house at this point. Nah. Damn the girl. Now I'm getting hungry. Oh God, pause. How long that been gonna take? Tell my who mess is this?
Boom. Bam. Bop.
In my pants, I got a shrimp.
Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
BigWinn in the building. You already know. I have the lovely.
Yeah, big mama.
Big mama. I'm a media. So, tell me,
What?
what did you raise?
Did that hat,
Okay. The hat.
Sweat. Once he knew he was sweat. Once he knew he was sweat.
Say it again, Dexter.
I want to freaking die.
Okay. Now, I'm going to surprise you real quick.
I ain't hear that one. I heard the Broward one before. Listen to the Broward one.
Ooh. Okay. Shady. You just use your teeth to do that?
it didn't work.
Okay, Shady.
What's that? You got that shit from public.
This shit, baby.
This is trauma.
I'm gonna make a fried nasty. Okay. Shit, alright. Let me see what
Shit.
That's why I already came down here. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie.
This man not even. Oh man. Pause at the perfect moment. I was about to say this man not even sitting down, bro. He just boy in the food for real, like, in that bit. I know that joint smacking. And this man, bro. This man got nothing but humor, bro. It tastes good. Samantha, boy. Goodness.
Ideal type stuff. What makes Mama Mia run down there and drop? Like, fella wise, like, mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's the what? Okay. So what's right?
We gotta be charming.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta be romantic.
Mm.
We gotta be
It's about to be a long list, boys.
Look, you're a simp. I'm gonna have to report you back to Cusco.
Did he really say that? Wait, nah, don't make me rewatch it just to see that, bruh. He really said that?
You don't want no sticky nigga.
These niggas just smell like
Stank.
they just smell like
Mosky.
weed and
Dog furs.
Rello dog.
Yeah.
Damn. Damn.
Cheetos.
I'm glad you got those type of characteristics. Man.
Damn. Damn.
Huh?
LA? Who's from LA?
I mean,
Damn. He said, huh?
What the fuck is you talking about?
was that?
Merlin! DMV, you LA crazy.
Yo, that's
sorry.
that is just Nah, that's
ain't a rat.
Cheese stinky.
Blue cheese,
Mm.
smelling like koala elbows.
what the fuck is that smell? What smell is that, bro? How the fuck does that even
You feel
smell?
me?
How's that?
Elbows, though. You feel me?
How does that even?
I'ma be horny.
Hey, that was a W. That was a W, Eddie.
Besides,
When you just understand the edits.
you got my
See.
let me see that braid there with that. That's glistening, though. That's really glistening. She spent 10 minutes.
Listen.
That guy might pass away soon.
They doing something to my belly tub right now. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Not the belly tub.
How yours is?
I'm good as fuck.
For real?
I'm good as fuck. Next time you come out here, hot on the pepper.
Tell them how long you been staying at, like how long you been in Atlanta.
Oh, that was what they.
16 years. Yeah.
And she doing her thing.
Oh shit! Look at them. Just look. Do the math. Do the math. Calculate that. Calculate that.
I seen your address.
Yeah. So, you know, people say to do videos, photo shoot, you know, to put in their clothes. I don't get hair model, lash model, nail model.
So anything,
No.
just being your like, what's it?
Damn.
Your brand.
Right.
And that's Mama Mia.
No.
And I dig that. I dig that.
Nah, that was.
Feel like you got it.
Nah.
What do y'all think? Y'all think you got it?
That was pure fucking humor.
Hand correction, hand right, you know what I mean? They just wrapped up, slopped up on the side.
Now, don't drag me in the comments because I fight too.
No, you should probably do it.
Probably do. That's fair.
You right. Okay. You not a fighter?
What do you mean by that?
As long as the relationship you been in. And don't pop, shot it. Don't do it.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I'm sorry y'all had to hear that.
What was that? What was that? What
10 years!
was that?
10 years!
What was that?
Was you like, so be honest, you was being interrogated. Held against your will. Okay, I understand that. 10 years is crazy.
What was that?
How old?
I'm sorry, 12 to...
What was that?
He needs some milk.
What was that? What was the question?
He gone now, right? Okay.
Yeah.
That's good, that's good.
I don't really want him to,
So now, like, are you like,
I'm so confused.
not saying like you just focusing on you and your goals, your,
I got a little something going on.
oh, you got a little boo? He in a room? Huh? What?
I got a little boo. That's tea.
That's you?
Into this.
Cause I could have sworn that he was in the room.
Yo, that's what that's from. I never seen the original. I never seen the original. I always just heard the sound.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
I'll let you know. Sorry.
Shit.
Did you ever play sports or anything?
Yeah.
Oh,
So I danced.
I'm on the road.
I danced in high school.
You dance, okay.
I danced middle school, high school. Before after dance in school,
There's background noise in the video. That shit fucking me up.
Yeah, we not talking about the exotic dance.
That shit fucked me up. I was just like, bruh, am I hearing shit?
We talking about this time. Oh. Oh. Fuck no.
What in the
Hold on. So that's the type of dance.
No what?
And it's some type. You was telling me that you be doing like the like.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait.
not the beat boo. God damn.
Professional.
Robots?
These wings got me going crazy. Hold on.
Oh shit. Did you just see what the fuck? My bad. Terrible. Look. See his hand? That boy got sauce on his fingers. Look at that shit. Don't even want to touch the shirt. Don't even want to touch the shirt.
But basically, y'all, that's basically like the dance we talking about. I mean, but that shit. So like you know.
I did ballet, I did jazz, I did breakdance,
Not that. What was it? He just stopped eating and started joking, bro.
Wait, what that move was like? What's that?
No.
Windshield wiper?
It's also like.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's definitely true.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Shotty.
The disrespect.
You never seen the Major dance before?
Major Red.
Oh my
I don't be knowing the turns. You falling. Sit clear. Clear. But no, like.
Football game.
Damn. Hold up. How the fuck did... The fuck, bro?
Clear.
The fuck did I just...
But no, like.
Hold up, bro. I might be tripping.
Football game.
Damn, that shit gone. How the fuck did you do that?
Yeah, right there.
How the
Bam,
fuck?
bam.
Cleared. Like, that shit got cleared.
You know, becoming me, I did karate down there. So like,
Oh,
let me
wow.
demonstrate. This is my type of karate. I gotta move this because you know, it was like a different type of shit. My karate insisted on like dojo master. His name was dojo master Lee.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
You're fucking cap.
No, not Bruce Lee, but Lee. He was black little fellow.
No boots.
I was not new Bruce. My Bruce was like, oh, chopping it down.
What, bro?
Hey, y'all heard her. If you ever come to the A, American Devil. But basically, Master Dojo Lee. Chop up, lick it, put no food in there.
The nigga swung his body.
Nigga, some walk in his box.
Shit was over and hit me. Bow. And his man took the chain, and when he threw it, I reached out.
I reached up.
And I grabbed the chain.
Hell no.
Like that, and then you got
Hell no.
punch logo really cool. And me, they told me level 35 previously in the dojo. So I pin the opponent, grab the opponent, and I ain't gonna lie, I just start.
What? What? What?
Until that nigga, until he gets
What?
Oh my God, this nigga's a virgin.
What? What? I don't know what this man just said, bro. I don't know what this man just said, man. That is some crazy.
Shake your booty.
The boy couldn't breathe.
As I travel more,
That is crazy. I need an explanation for like the last statement.
great thing that I really partake into. It makes something in my stomach go bubbly. It makes it go bubbly. I don't like that. You almost give me.
Is the food still on the ground, bruh? Get the food. Get the food.
That's not chicken. But let me ask you another question. What's a big red flag that you don't like in a fella? Oh, very distraught. A Georgia.
Huh?
Preposterous.
It's the music for me. It's the music.
Okay, you basically right about a Georgia. See me, I feel as though I'm not a liar. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. Like basically, those wings are better than whatever I was snacking on over there. And I was, yes, I believe so. It looks very much better. How many do you have left? I would like to try one. Just think of the mock. This is a mukbang. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a napkin here. I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna little sauce.
Oh, he must have no more.
Down here, it looks very saucy. And this was called what again, madam? Hot with lemon pepper sprinklers. Okay.
Cover all 9,000 taste buds,
Oh, 9,000.
driving up that top milk, that cream, pure vanilla, sweeteners. That's a 10.
That shit dang before me.
That's it.
That shit
That's a
dang.
10.
Sweat and shit, shawty.
That shit smacking back. Smack back. I had to say that bit twice. Cause you ain't hear it the first time. I had to say it twice. God dang. Holy.
This is what I love about American food. It's such traditional foods. You know, we have weird eats down Manchester. And it doesn't feel my stomach up. You know, we barely have burgers. We don't have no burgers. No burgers.
That boy sweating. That boy is sweating.
You serious?
That about it. You right. A doodoo gonna do. No, yeah. What is that? What do you know on that? Your stomach good.
Shoulder.
Shit! So when you see yourself in 5 years, be honest. You said what's up?
Honest.
Okay, twin. You can act? I feel like you will laugh. You know, I feel like you won't laugh and be like,
But if it's in the script and we have to read the script,
can you cry on command?
that's the only thing I can't do. It would take me a second. I can cry on the Friday.
Can you cry on command?
Second to get that tear.
Yeah, you gotta cry.
So you want to be your main from Friday, you want to be the actress.
I want to be an actor. I want to be a model.
Actress. You is a woman.
You hit.
Right.
I'm just kidding.
That actress gonna be the baby. You know, when I came outside to go get, I seen a little nigga with some tight jeans on. I was a little bit disturbed.
Damn. He did not pick up. He must have ate it up. I don't know, bro. Where the food, bro? I'm really just thinking about the food, bro. You not better not just leave it there, bro. I know it's the bit, but damn, bro. Eat, bro. Damn, bro.
And I want to start doing some makeup. I'm put a little money towards that. But short term, I got 20. So I'm gonna start selling shirts.
All those you better say selling drugs. Go ahead, though.
Go ahead.
You gotta make a way. I ain't heard it. Do what you gotta do.
But
You got a brand. What's your brand name? Marlene? Okay.
there'll be shirts with my picture on it.
Okay.
Right? And I'm gonna put shirts, sweatshirts, crop tops, lighters.
We do not
What?
Now, I'm gonna just say this. What would you rate me 1 through 10? Be honest now. You gotta stand up. Hold on.
Nah. Be.
It's a red one or a green one.
The pot, tell me that.
Okay.
Show me the pot.
Ooh, like, come on now, hold on. That's a different type level of fucking swag. 1 through 10, be honest, like, what would you?
I would never see
Call of Duty match.
I fell down to my knees when the law came.
You,
I
on
fell
the
down, man.
other hand, look, your personality is cool, so she's definitely one. Honestly to God, I thought you want to be born and shit.
Honestly. Oh, shit. Real shit.
Guys, she came here, she gave her due. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And
It's done? It's done?
Go. So she be hitting the Dougie. Okay. What the? Oh. Get warmed up. Whatever you gotta do to protect your shit. Okay. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what this
give me
is
like
for real.
two back to back. Okay. Ooh.
I'm gone.